How do you download your CV from Europass? So first of all, go ahead to Europass official website, that is europass.europa.eu.login, and then once you're there, you will simply have to log into your account. So you can simply go ahead, log into Europass, and once you've logged in, you can see an option that reads create your Europass CV. So once you press there, you'll be directed to a page that would look like this. So here, what you'll have to do is simply go ahead and then fill up your personal information and other everything that you would require for your CV. So simply go ahead, put on your everything, your nationality, your country, your passport, your ID, everything that a CV would require. So you can also update your experience according to your preference. So you can also provide a description of yourself. So you can also go ahead and then change the language of your CV as well. So once you do that, you can simply go ahead and then press on save once you have filled out all the forms. So once you've saved, you can go to select template, and on the save page, what you'll have to do is at here, you'll be directed to a page that will look someone like this, and simply press on download. So once you press on download, you'll be required to fill all the mandatory fields. So once you press on download, you'll be able to simply go ahead and then save your CV in your like CV or export or download in your preferred format. That would be like PDF or Word or sometimes also XML files. So that's for your convenience. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.